Hello, radiant souls. Welcome to Glamour Guru, your one-stop shop for all things beauty and skincare. We understand that the modern woman's life is a whirlwind of activities and responsibilities, which often leaves little time for self-care. But fear not, because we're here to guide you through a skincare routine that's not just effective, but also time-efficient. So buckle up as we dive into the world of skincare, starting with the very basics, understanding your skin type. So stay tuned and let's glow together. Ever wondered how to maintain a glowing complexion while juggling a hectic schedule? Well, it's time to put those worries aside as we unravel the secrets to a streamlined skincare routine. First things first, it's essential to understand your skin type. Is it oily, dry, combination, or sensitive? Identifying your skin type is the first step in choosing the right products and creating a routine that works best for you. On to the skincare routine itself. It's all about keeping things simple. The golden rule is to cleanse, tone, and moisturize. A thorough cleanse removes impurities, a refreshing toner helps balance the skin, and a nourishing moisturizer keeps the skin hydrated. This three-step routine can work wonders without consuming much of your precious time. Morning routines can be a rush, but your skin shouldn't suffer. Start with a gentle cleanser, followed by a hydrating toner. Finish off with a lightweight moisturizer infused with SPF to shield your skin from the sun. This quick routine can set your skin up for success even on the busiest of mornings. But when the sun sets, it's time to pamper your skin a bit more. Double cleanse to remove the day's makeup and dirt, use a hydrating toner, and then apply a nourishing night cream or serum. This routine helps your skin repair and rejuvenate overnight, ensuring you wake up with a refreshed complexion. For the busy bees, a few skincare hacks can come in handy. Keep a facial mist in your bag for on-the-go hydration. Consider multitasking products like a BBB cream with SPF. These tips can help you take care of your skin even in the midst of a bustling day. And if you can't stick to a routine, no worries. Some DIY remedies like a honey and yogurt mask can provide your skin with the hydration and nourishment it needs. Plus, it's a great way to unwind and pamper yourself. Remember, hydration is key. Drinking enough water throughout the day can help keep your skin clear and radiant. It's a simple habit that can make a big difference. Lastly, when choosing skincare products, opt for those with minimal ingredients and no harsh chemicals. Understand what each ingredient does, and choose products that suit your skin type and address your specific concerns. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to maintaining a healthy skincare routine amidst a busy schedule. Remember, it's not about how much time you spend on your skin, but how effectively you use that time. Here's to glowing skin every day.
First off, never underestimate the power of a good cleanser. It's essential to keep your skin clean and free from dirt and makeup. Opt for a gentle, hydrating cleanser that can work its magic without stripping your skin of its natural oils. Next up, hydration is key. A good moisturizer can make a world of difference. Choose a product that suits your skin type and is packed with nourishing ingredients. Remember, moisturizing isn't just for your face. Your neck and hands deserve some attention too. Exfoliation is another crucial part of any skincare routine. However, it's not necessary to exfoliate daily. Aim for once or twice a week to rid your skin of dead cells and reveal a fresh glowing complexion. Don't forget the magic potion, sunscreen. Regardless of the weather, applying sunscreen protects your skin from harmful UV rays and prevents premature aging. Now, here's a quick hack. Multitasking products are your best friends. A tinted moisturizer with SPF, for instance, can save you a lot of time. You get hydration, sun protection, and a touch of color all in one. And for those days when you need a little extra, DIY face masks can come to your rescue. A simple honey and yogurt mask can soothe and rejuvenate your skin in no time. To sum it all up, taking care of your skin doesn't have to be a time-consuming task. With a streamlined routine, a few quick hacks, and some DIY remedies, you can achieve radiant and youthful skin even with a hectic schedule. Remember, self-care is essential, and your skin deserves some love too. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to our channel. Until next time, take care and stay radiant. Thank you for joining us today on Glamour Guru. If you have any skincare tips for busy individuals, share them in the comments below. And as always, stay beautiful. Hey there, radiant beauties. We're not quite done yet. We've shared our tips and tricks, but now we want to hear from you. It's time for a Glamour Guru community moment. In the comments section below, we would love for you to share your top skincare hacks. What are your go-to products? Any special DIY masks you swear by? Any skincare secrets passed down through generations in your family? Let's create a space where we can all learn and grow together. And while you're at it, don't forget to 1. Like this video if you found our tips helpful. 1. Share it with your friends so they can also join in the skincare conversation. 1. Subscribe to our channel for more skincare tips, tricks, and community moments. We can't wait to read all your wonderful comments and suggestions. Until next time, keep glowing and stay beautiful.